Edible oils, which enhance dishes with their savory taste, crisp texture, and fragrant aroma, are commonly used in various cooking methods such as frying, stir-frying, and tossing. Most people tend to use whatever oil is available at home or choose their favorite type when cooking. However, using oils incorrectly for certain cooking methods can have serious health consequences, including triggering conditions like dementia, heart attacks, and various forms of cancer. Today, we will explore the potential harmful effects of oils on health, how to select the right oil for specific uses, and effective ways to incorporate oils into your diet to help prevent dementia. As the global awareness of health and nutrition continues to grow, an increasing number of individuals are turning to plant-based oils that are known for their beneficial content of unsaturated fats. These oils are often seen as a healthier alternative to animal fats, and their inclusion in a balanced diet has been linked to various positive health outcomes, such as improved cardiovascular health and lower cholesterol levels. Common plant-based oils include olive oil, canola oil, perilla oil, sesame oil, and sunflower oil, all of which are praised for their high content of essential fatty acids and antioxidants. However, despite their health benefits, these oils can pose serious risks if not used correctly in cooking. The critical factor here is the smoke point, which is the temperature at which an oil begins to produce visible smoke when exposed to heat. This temperature varies significantly between different types of oils, and understanding the correct smoke point for each oil is crucial for maintaining both the flavor and the nutritional value of your food. When an oil is heated beyond its smoke point, it not only loses its original health benefits but also undergoes a series of chemical transformations that can result in the formation of harmful compounds. Among these, two of the most concerning substances are benzo, pyrene, and acrylamide, both of which can have devastating effects on human health. Benzo, pyrene, a carcinogenic risk. Benzo, pyrene is a substance formed during the process of overheating certain oils. It is classified by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, as a Group 1 carcinogen, which means it is a substance that has been proven to cause cancer in humans. This compound is found not only in oils but also in other well-known carcinogenic substances, such as tobacco smoke, asbestos, arsenic, and tar. When consumed, benzo, pyrene can damage the body in several ways. The World Health Organization, WHO, has highlighted several harmful effects of consuming benzo, pyrene. It can cause the destruction of red blood cells, leading to a weakened immune system. Furthermore, it can contribute to the narrowing of blood vessels in the brain, which may increase the risk of stroke or other cardiovascular diseases. Prolonged exposure to this substance can also impair reproductive function and significantly increase the risk of various types of cancer. Given these potential risks, it is important to be cautious about the oils we use in cooking, particularly when subjected to high heat for long periods. Acrylamide, a neurological threat. Another harmful compound that can form when oils are overheated is acrylamide. Acrylamide is a substance that is primarily formed when foods containing sugars and amino acids are subjected to high temperatures, such as in frying or roasting. It is especially prevalent in starchy foods, but it can also form in oils during cooking processes like deep frying or stir-frying. Acrylamide has been linked to neurological disorders due to its neurotoxic properties. It can affect the nervous system by causing damage to nerve cells, which may lead to symptoms such as weakness, numbness, and even more severe long-term cognitive impairments. Furthermore, excessive exposure to acrylamide has also been linked to an increased risk of cancer, making it another dangerous compound that we need to be cautious of when choosing cooking methods. The risks of using oil improperly. The use of plant-based oils for health reasons is a commendable choice, but using them incorrectly, particularly in high-heat cooking methods, can negate their health benefits and lead to the formation of harmful compounds. Sesame oil and perilla oil, which are commonly used for their rich, nutty flavors, are particularly vulnerable to these risks. Both oils have a relatively low smoke point compared to other oils, which means they can easily reach their breaking point during high-heat cooking like stir-frying or deep frying. When heated beyond their smoke points, these oils break down, releasing potentially dangerous substances like benzo, pyrene and acrylamide. The dangers of overheating oils like sesame oil and perilla oil are exacerbated by their tendency to release a stronger aroma and flavor when exposed to heat. This is why many people inadvertently use these oils for frying, unaware that doing so could significantly damage both the health benefits of the oil and their overall health. It's important to remember that while these oils are packed with healthy omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, their proper use is essential to avoiding harmful chemical reactions. Both sesame oil and perilla oil have a smoke point of around 170 to 180 degrees Celsius, and exceeding this temperature can cause the formation of benzo, pyrene, a harmful substance. Therefore, if you use sesame oil or perilla oil in stir-frying or deep frying, depending on the cooking temperature, the oil may contribute to the formation of harmful substances, making it one of the worst food choices for your health. Since each type of oil has a different smoke point, it's important to choose the right oil for each cooking method. For deep frying, oils with a smoke point of at least 210 degrees Celsius are recommended. Oils that meet this requirement include soybean oil, grapeseed oil, canola oil, and sunflower oil. These oils are better suited for high-temperature cooking methods, such as deep frying, as they can handle the heat without producing harmful substances. Since each type of oil has its own characteristics, you should choose the appropriate oil based on your needs. The most commonly used oil in Korea, soybean oil, has a smoke point of 220 degrees Celsius. It has no strong odor and a mild, nutty flavor, making it suitable for deep frying. Grapeseed oil, canola oil, and sunflower oil all have smoke points above 230 degrees Celsius, making them ideal for deep frying, where high temperatures are sustained. Using oils with high smoke points not only preserves the flavor of the food but also helps protect your health. The second category is oils for stir-frying. For stir-frying, the temperature can reach up to 190 degrees Celsius, so it is recommended to use oils with a high smoke point for this method. Soybean oil and canola oil are excellent choices, and you can also opt for refined olive oil according to your preferences. These oils are good for stir-frying as they have a high smoke point and can help neutralize the greasy taste and odor. Canola oil, extracted from rapeseed, is inexpensive and easy to find, making it a good choice for household cooking. As for olive oil, extra virgin olive oil has a smoke point of around 160 degrees Celsius, so it's not ideal for stir-frying. However, pure olive oil has a smoke point of 240 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for both stir-frying and deep frying. The third category is oils for seasoning or dressings. When making dishes like enamel, seasoned vegetables, or salads, it's best to use oils that preserve the original flavor of the ingredients. The most common oils for this purpose are perilla oil, sesame oil, and extra virgin olive oil. Both sesame oil and perilla oil have a smoke point of 170 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius, so they should be used for seasoning or dressings rather than heating. However, if you want to use these oils for stir-frying, it's best to turn off the heat before adding them to avoid direct exposure to the high heat. These oils, such as Perilla oil, are rich in healthy oleic acid and polyphenol, which have great benefits for the body. It is best to consume them without heating to preserve their nutrients. Perilla oil, in particular, can be especially helpful for preventing dementia if consumed before bed. A spoonful of Perilla oil before sleeping can significantly improve brain health. The linolenic acid content in Perilla oil, which is an essential omega-3 fatty acid, helps form DHA, an essential component of brain cells. This compound helps break down beta amyloid, the protein that contributes to the development of dementia. By doing so, it not only prevents but can also aid in the treatment of dementia. Research from California State University shows that omega-3 fatty acids, such as linolenic acid, can prevent the accumulation of beta amyloid in the brain, reducing the risk of dementia. Consuming Perilla oil before bed increases the absorption rate and allows its beneficial effects to concentrate in the brain more efficiently. The linolenic acid content in Perilla oil is more than 60%, while soybean oil has less than 10%, and sesame oil contains less than 1%. Therefore, if you're looking to prevent dementia, Perilla oil is the most effective choice. To maximize the brain-boosting effects of Perilla oil, try consuming 1 spoonful before bed. This practice can help protect your brain and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. In addition to the benefits of consuming oils like Perilla oil, it's essential to understand the importance of using the right oils for specific cooking methods. The back label on cooking oils often provides information on the smoke point, which indicates the temperature at which the oil begins to break down and release harmful substances. So, checking the label before using the oil is a good habit to ensure you're using it properly. In today's video, we covered the importance of using cooking oils correctly and the best ways to consume them for optimal health. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I look forward to providing more health information in future videos. Stay healthy and have a great day.